Hello everyone. Welcome today. Brand new day on Thursday in the daily newspaper of November the 5th, 2020. Yes, we have only one regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku, and bit surprising, there is no additional in today's newspaper. Only one regular Sudoku. How could that be? Let me check this. Yes, look, Thursday, November the 5th. Let me zoom this out. There's no extra Sudokus, additional with extra Sudokus, 7 or 8 Sudokus. I have checked this, and again, no extra Sudokus. I believe the last Saturday there was also no extra Sudokus. So publisher, what the hell is happened? Yes, I cannot believe no extra Sudokus. Only one. Yes, let me check. Check. I need to check if I'm correct. No extra Sudokus. We have a few pages to go. Then I know it's a fact. No extra Sudokus. Yes, only one. Yes, let me go to that page. Alright, let me zoom this Sudoku. Yes, regular Sudoku. How regular is this? And this regular Sudoku will be number 1847. Yes, 1847. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus 3 is 10. 13, 14. Plus 5 is 19. Plus 2 is equal to 21. Plus 3 is 24. Plus 4, 28. I cannot believe this. 28. So it's easier than the one-star Sudoku. The one-star Sudoku has 27 printed digits. Alright, so it must be easier than the one-star. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. Let me see. In the first row, we see here 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this big square, so no 1. In these 2 boxes, so the 1 could be here or could be there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. And then, let me see. 9, 3. 8, 8, 1, 1, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6. Ooh, interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1. No 1 in these 3 boxes. In this big square, so 1 digit left should be here. So no 1 in this box. Here also 1, no 1 in that box. Here 1, no 1 in this box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, here or there. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all other ones are used. I can see, yes, digit number 1. And then 6. Then 3, 3. Yes, we see a 9 in this row. 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. Ha 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 ha. Aha. Alright, the third row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3s in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. Yeah. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is no. Let me in this big square. Yeah, one of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here, could be there, or here. So we have a 3 in one of those 3 boxes in this column, a 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. And now I can continue with the 9. We see here 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. 7 and 8, I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 7 and 8, let me mark them. How about these 2 boxes, 7 and 8 in this row. 7 and 8, we see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 3. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is missing. 6 is missing. That's correct. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 1 box left in this column for the number 2, I believe. Yes. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. How about those 2 numbers, missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 5 and 7? I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you. And these 2 boxes in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them again. Yes. Alright. And now, we have a 2 in this column. A 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Yes. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. In the first column, a 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be there. So 1 box left in this row for the number 6. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. And in the third row, the 6 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. And look, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 5 and the 6 goes there. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. So we have a 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 3, I believe. No, 3 we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. Yes, 5 is missing. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. Yes, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. And now, what are those numbers in this big square? The 2 is missing. The 3 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. So the 2 and the 3 are missing here. How about those 2 numbers in the first row? 1, 2, 3. The 4 and the 7 are missing. 4 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them. 3, 5, and 6. 3, 5, 6. 3, 5, 6. No. 3, 5, 6. I see here 5 and a 6 in the first column. So no 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left for the 3. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below, so on the last row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be the 7 and this should be a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be a 6. 1 box left in this column for the number 4. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 4 goes and there. Yes, finish in 60 minutes. All right. Yes, I thought I do this quicker, maybe in 12 minutes or 30 minutes, but 60 minutes, well, I'm disappointed. It could be faster with 28 printed digits, but you cannot tell. I've told you earlier, this is not really an indication of the difficulty level. Alright, I like this Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you tomorrow on Friday. Have a nice day. And bye-bye for now.